Hey, I'm going to show you a trick how to draw a face in side view. First you draw a circle, doesn't have to be perfect. Split it in 4. Draw a square in the left bottom and add a connecting line between the middle of the circle and the outer corner of the square. Now draw the ear within the angle below the circle. Place the eyebrow on the horizontal line of the circle and the eye a little bit below that. The face profile has to fit within the upper and the lower line of the square. The throat starts around the bottom middle of the square. Make sure the top of the ear stays underneath the bottom of the eye. From now, it's all just details. Let me know if you'd like to see the rest of the drawing in real time. I hope it helps you.